Hello and welcome to Sheila Joynes Teaches Music Theory, Level 5, Module 1. It's very exciting to be here. Level 5 is where we've been working towards, and if you've stuck with me right through from Level 1, well done you. If you're new to this, if you've just come and found these videos, you're very welcome, and I hope you'll find them a help. And we're going to start by looking at irregular time signatures. What is an irregular time signature? It's going to be a simple time, but usually you expect 2, 3 or 4 on the top in simple time. In this you're going to have a 5 or a 7 on the top. And it will vary. Sometimes you'll get, if it's in quavers, you'll have a group of 2, a group of 2, a group of 3, but sometimes they'll do it the other way around. And it's up to the composer how they group these things. He's the expert, you're the pupil, so he can do what he likes, but you can't. You've just got to suss out what it is that he has done. So let's have a look at these couple of examples I've got here. It was difficult to find enough material because irregular time signatures really didn't become popular until the 20th century. You get the odd one or two. There's Tchaikovsky does a lovely 5/4, and yet it feels like a waltz. It feels like 3 time. Ya da 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 da. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Ya da 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 da. Wonderful stuff. He was such a clever man. Maybe you'll write something like that one day yourself. Anyway, have a look here. We've got something by Lyadov, and then we've got something by that awful composer Joynes, and you're going to see a lot of that in this because of that reason. Now then, here we are, 5/4 time. A 5 on the top says there are 5 beats in the bar. Down a 5th from there, we start on D flat. D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. When I'm teaching my children to play these scales, I teach them to play them crunchy wise. Whoops. Because you're playing all the black notes and your 2nd and 3rd finger goes on those, and your 2nd, 3rd and 4th go on those, and you can't go wrong with your fingering if you remember that. Anyway, I digress. The last one that you've got to know for this grade is G flat major. And you're going to tell me off again because we have another white note that is a flat. You've got G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. It looks like a B. It sounds like a B. It isn't a B, it's a C flat because you can only have one of each. G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat. Those are your major keys. Now you need to know also the new